Hi, my name is Catherine, and this is my first makeup tutorial. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going in with concealer, the Milani concealer, the Correct and Conceal. I'm just putting it on my eyes and kind of like going with my eyebrow to sharpen my eyebrow. And I'm going with my beauty blender and just, pat that in. And then I'm going in with my airspun to just set that in. Look at me doing that dance. Ew. And then I'm using the Gingerbread palette by Too Faced, and it is limited edition. I am going with Sugar Daddy first and blending that in the crease. And then I'm going in with Looking at My Cookie and doing the same thing into my crease. I don't know what I was doing there. Oh, I'm using Pastel Pop, and so I don't know the colors that I used in this. Okay, well actually, that one was raspberry. I remember that one. I'm putting it in my crease. So I'm taking Figgy Pudding and Spices Nice, both in my crease, my outer crease. I decided to mix them because it was looking kind of pale. You feel? Hear me blending. I am going back in my Milani Conceal and I think Perfect, I'm not sure, but I'm cutting my crease. I do wear glasses, so I'm kind of like blind. And I honestly don't know what colors I use, but I'll put it down in the description if y'all want. So I'm going back with Figgy Pudding and Spices Nice in my outer corner to make it all blended. And then I'm just cleaning up the edges so I can get a perfect line for my eyeliner. And I know this is not Milani. Ew, I just sneezed. But I went in with Wet n Wild and Maybelline eyeliner. And then I'm going in with a white eyeliner from Stila. I don't know what it's called. The name of it. Why was I making that face? Oh, so tapioca is life. Get the fruit gels, it's really good. I'm using the Maybelline primer. It's the pink one, and I don't know what it's called, but I'm just putting in the primer to my face. So I just got the Juvia's new like foundation, and it was hella white. Like it was like not my color, but like look, see, you can't like I look like a ghost. But I put Milani foundation over it, but I mixed my my concealer, and we're just going in with the butter bronzer. I really look like a bronzer, by the way, so don't hate. I'm just, you know, making sure it's aight on my face, you know, snatched. And then here's me pinning mascara on by Milani, by the way. I think that's the Superstar one. And then me buffing out my bronzer, and this is Estee Lauder highlighter. I don't know what shade it is, but yeah. I got this for Christmas like 2 years ago, but it's like a mauvey color, and it's kind of cute for this look, I guess. And here's me doing my eyebrows, and yes, I do my eyebrows at the end for some reason, because it all comes together. And this is the final look, and yeah, my face looks kind of weird. There you go. Those eyelashes were killing me, honestly. I took them off after this. Thank you for watching. You should like and subscribe. Yeah. Okay, bye.